Hi guys, so today I'm just gonna talk about some random things. So yeah, try to keep up with me. But I don't even know sometimes what I'm talking about. I don't even keep up with myself. So I don't know if you guys can, but yeah, let's try that. I just grew up all wanting pastry, chocolates, and sweet drinks, everything. I used to love it when even I was a teenager, even before that, and also after that, I used to love it a lot, like that. I mean, people take drugs, okay, people drink alcohol, but my addiction was something sugary. I mean, some drink, some cookies, or anything sugary, chocolates. I used to eat a lot of them, but I don't even remember when. But something happened in between that time, I guess. I just stopped eating it. Maybe because the people who used to give me, the people who used to, just gift me some chocolates or anything, the special kind of people who used to give me that things, they stopped. And right after that, I guess, I also stopped liking sugary things, or just dislike that. But I don't even, as I am saying, I don't even realize that until now, when I tried to drink something sugary, when I tried to, just enjoy my pastry or some sugary things, I can't. I can't. I don't know. Is it my, just guilt that I feel that I would have diabetes or something like that? I don't think. I mean, yeah, it's a reason, but yeah, it doesn't taste that much good to me anymore. I recently tried to drink a sugary drink, but it doesn't feel the same. I can't. I mean, I really can't. Not because I'm saying throw it away. I'm not saying that, because I don't think people should waste their foods, and I don't do it also. But I think I just can't like it. I just can't. I just don't want to drink it. I mean, I don't even know if there's is an explanation for that. But recently I found out I just hate any kind of sugary drink, or any kind of, just not. Uh, am I even making sense? I mean, at this point, I don't think I do. But yeah, take an example. Sugar eating. I mean, I tried to drink coffee with some sugar. I mean, usually I don't drink my coffee with sugars. I don't. But yesterday or a day ago, I tried to drink it with some sugar, and it tastes disgusting. I mean, I mean, after a sip, I just stopped, because I know I am not liking it. I didn't like that taste in my taste buds, and it just felt odd. I mean, all I just wanted to do is just throw it away. But after it's coffee, and I can't, even though I don't like it. So yeah, I just have to drink it at that time. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not that you just hate or dislike the people, they gone from your life, but you just kind of started to hate the things that you used to do with them, or they would do for you also. It can be anything, and it happens without realizing it. I mean, I don't even remember when did I stop. But yeah, I stopped. I remember that I used to, put sugar this much. I mean, this kind of level that I used to put my sugar into my coffee. I think, because that's the insane amount of love I had for sugary drinks and anything or anything. I mean, I have tons of chocolate wrappers in the past that I used to eat, but currently I don't even like chocolate that much. I mean, for occasion, yeah, I can eat it, but without occasion or without anything, I don't think that I like that much. I mean, yeah, people are crazy over drugs. People are crazy over, just alcohol. And I am crazy over my non-sugary coffee. So that makes a win, I guess. I mean, my parents should be happy that I am not doing any drugs or anything, I guess. So yeah, I mean, even if I wanted to, I would be set as an example for people to laugh at, for people to watch and learn their lesson. I would be their lesson. So I don't want to do that also.